Guys, make sure you stay until the end. We'll talk about common mistakes people make, and they may end up spending thousands of dollars on repairs, diagnostics, parts that they may not actually even need. We'll talk about that in this video today. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Super quick, very helpful video for any of you trying to find where the alarm module, alarm, siren, fuses, relays are located on Mercedes GLC 4th generation. Guys, please do not waste any money on parts, tools, diagnostics until you watch that video. It could be quite simple fix. After that guys, if you need to buy replacement parts and tools, guys, we will share the information in the description of the video below. Check it out and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Let's start on it now. Even before we start guys, let us share something with you. Okay, 9 out of 10 people do not know there will be hidden fuse boxes in that Mercedes. How many? Up to 6-7 different fuse boxes guys. Now, that's why we made a special video on our YouTube channel that's called Mercedes GLC fuse box location and diagram. Check it out. It's a video that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Now guys, when we make all these free videos, we take every single car apart that we get here at the garage. We make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We show you how to fix engines, transmission, codes, fuses, relays, because our mission at the garage is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. By the way guys, check out our YouTube channels. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's go ahead and start on it now. The alarm module, siren, fuses, relays come guys to show you where you can expect to find them. We will demonstrate on this 4th generation Mercedes GLC. Today we'll be working, fortunately for us, up just in one fuse box where it's located on the driver's side. If you open the driver door, you see on the side of the dash here you have a cover guys. This is a different angle of that cover, okay? So this cover you can pull it out, and the moment you pull that cover out, behind it you're going to find a fuse box that's on the driver's side that looks like this one. We have that layout. Before we guys continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So guys, let us tell you something really quick guys. People make one common mistake. They never test fuses, relays. They look at them and they assume they're good. At that point they think they have a good fuse or relay and they start replacing modules, computers, parts that can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs guys. Always test your fuses. You have no idea how many cars we fixed for customers that said, oh, I checked the fuse, everything's fine, but I still have a problem. Now, some fuses are super hard to see if they're burnt or not. Some of them will be really easily accessible. You can clearly see them, but there will be fuses that are not see-through, fuses that may look like they're not burned, but they're actually burned. And often, guys, you can actually even test these fuses. Okay, let me show you now without even removing them. But it's very important to know how to test different fuses and relays, and if you want to see how to do that guys, we're going to put that link to a video in the description of the video below, how to test fuse, how to test a relay. Always check that. I want to emphasize that enough because it could be a really simple fix. Guys, now that fuse box, if we look here, we need to check only one fuse. It's for the alarm module, alarm, siren as well. But if you have problems with the alarm as well, we'll recommend to check some other fuses. We'll talk about that in a second. The fuse that you need to check is known as fuse number 202. You see that fuse right here, that 5M fuse? That's the one that you need to check. Also, check fuses, relays for the front, SAM and rear SAM module, SAM module. We'll have the videos on the channel, but the main fuse is that 202 fuse on your Mercedes that you will need to check. You don't have a relay. The relay function practically is controlled by a module function, so you have only fuse known as a relay fuse. Guys, this Mercedes has all kind of different fuses, right? You can see just in this fuse box we have 2 different kinds. Then if you go in this one, you have even some more special fuses right there in the trunk fuse box as well guys. Now it's always a good idea to keep some spare ones guys in the glove box for a peace of mind. That way if you're in the middle of nowhere, you need a fuse, you replace it, you're back on the road. Otherwise we'll be stuck in the middle of nowhere guys. We'll share the links in the description of the video below where you can get replacement fuses, relays, where we get most of our tools, part supplies from as well. Hopefully guys the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Thank you for watching and see you next time.